Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to adjust CSS for Lightning tab in Salesforce Lightning Web Component. Lightning tab set and the Lightning tab is used to display tabs in Salesforce Lightning Web Component. If you wanted to adjust the CSS, then we can make use of styling hooks. Styling hooks from Lightning Web Component help us to adjust the CSS for all the standard tags what we get. In this video we are going to see how to adjust the CSS properties for Lightning tab. For this demo I created a Lightning Web Component. Here I'm using Lightning card, and within my Lightning card I have Lightning tab set, and within Lightning tab set I have three tabs, one with label home, and I'm also showing icon as a standard home so that it will display a home icon. Similarly, I'm displaying another tab for announcement and article. I'm using standard announcement as the icon name for announcement tab and standard article for article tab. So this is how it will be displaying. By default, here we see red color, but by default it will be blue color. So if I select any tab, the active tab will have a border, lower border with red color, with blue color, but I have changed it to red color. How I have done that is I created a file called the name of the component .css, and I'm using the styling hook for border active as red. Whenever I H over, this is also is going to be in red. The border color, this is the border color which we see is in black. If you want to change it, you can change it. Yeah, it got updated. So now if I H over, it will be in blue color, and the border what we see here is in green color. In order to update the CSS properties for Lightning tab, make use of styling hooks. For additional CSS properties, please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which we referenced in this video, and also I have shared the styling hooks link for this particular Lightning tab tag. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.